Hello guys, today I want to shoot a video. You know, I've been working on this Mustang for quite a while. uh, I've been trying to find a good product for the tire shine, and I've been trying all kinds of different ones, and I wanted just to do a review and a product that I found and I like, and I wanted to share it with you guys. You probably heard of it. And I also want to mention that I'm not getting paid by this company. I'm just giving you my honest opinion on that. So that's something that I think you should know. Um, and basically, so right now I'm gonna show you. So this tire, what I did is I got one of those Magic wet tire shine, and I put it about a week ago. As you can see, the tire is clean, but it's not shiny. Um, it is clean. I'm not gonna say that it's like bad, but you can see where the shine is completely gone. And I found this product, and I'm gonna show you because I put it on the other side of the car. And right here, I put it about a week ago, and I'm hoping you can see it, but still kind of shiny. It's not like super wet, but it is shiny. You can tell the difference. And I only did it on this tire to try to prove the point whether the product works or not. And you can see I did a little bit on this one. It's still kind of like, it's still okay. So overall, I'm pretty happy with the way that product works, and I wanted to just share it. So this is the product that I use. Like I said, it works pretty good. I'm not getting paid by them, so just make sure I'm not, I'm not trying to influence anyone. If you're looking for something that is gonna last and it's gonna look good, this is a product. I believe this product is not cheap, but then again, I mean, you might pay a lot less for other products. But then if you have to be doing it repeatedly, then you're gonna end up paying quite a bit. So anyway, this was what the video was about today, and I wanted to share with you guys. I'm pretty happy with the way my car's been turning out. We've been working on it. We're gonna keep working on this car. We're not done with it yet. We're looking into the possibility of putting a supercharger. Might be able to put airbags on this car. I'm not sure yet, but I wanted to share. And please stay tuned. Thank you for watching, guys.